So the flange bearing, this is an T3300 Craftsman, and driving around, my right tire was definitely loose. This is a 2018, so I've been trying to research, and I finally found the bearing kit. As you guys know, this is my second tractor. I've had to replace these in my old ones several times. Those are the flange bearings. So I decided this time to go with the upgrade kit that I've been reading about. I just want to show you guys real quick if you have to do this job. First of all, there's my axle. I already did the other side. Fairly easy. Just want to show you the order that they go in when you put the axle back. It's going to go small washer, large washer, E-ring, C-ring, C-clip, whatever you want to call it, and then the outside plug. When you put the bearings on, the lip goes to the outside of the tire. Okay, so when you look at these quickly, there's two sides to these. The one with the raised lip goes to the outside. So just show you how that works. Pretty painless to get the old ones out. Those are the old ones. You're just going to use a hammer, and I just got a piece there, rebar. Basically, you're going to knock them in the outsides, or say you're going to knock them out. Do both sides. This side was actually fairly easy. The right side, definitely took some pounding, but they definitely came out. You can see here I cleaned them out, got all the grease, so both sides are nice and clean. I know you want to make sure that this piece is nice and clean. I have no problem. What I did to make sure, in fact, I'm going to do it now on this side, is take the wheel bearing just to make sure and see how easily it slides on. Excuse my hand for a second. And you can see it slides right on. I know some people have said they've had issues with these. So if you need to, you may have to sand this down. But mine goes on nice and smooth, so I did not have any issues with it. I also, just to help out, I put a little bit of Dollar spray on it. But again, anyway, those are the two bearings. That's what they look like. So if that does help you out, and what is nice is hold on to one of the old flanges, because it's going to help you go ahead and set the new one in. And what I mean by that really quickly, I always wish I had another free hand. You're going to take one of the bearings, you're going to put it right on top. Okay, it almost kind of slides in, at least mine does for here. Then you're going to take your old flange bearing. You're going to lay it right on top. Okay, like that. You're going to take your hammer and you're going to set it in so that it's nice and even. In fact, let me just see here if I can do this while holding my phone. All right, a few more taps here. Don't have to hit it too hard. Mine pretty much went right in. All right, you can see here it's flush. I'm going to do the same to the other side. And again, you can see here the lip goes up. Okay, and then again, when you assemble it, in fact, I can do so now. You're going to put one small washer. All right, small washer goes on. That goes in there. You're then going to slide the tire on. You're then going to put another small washer, large washer, the C-clip or the E-clip, whatever you want to call it. And then there is the covering. So that is the kit I bought there. Again, got it on Amazon. Part 9040. When you look up Craftsman, that's what it tells you it is. This came really well packaged, really simple. Everything looks nice and neat and even and clean, and very happy with it. And give yourself an hour, but I don't think it's even going to take you that long. Again, honestly, the hardest part was getting out probably the old flange bearings. Again, these are a pain. They wear down, and I was very surprised when my right tire was wobbling definitely pretty bad. So a huge difference. Put this right back on, and it helps. Just jack it up. I just got a scissor jack here. Get it off the ground. Give yourself plenty of clearance. You can clean all this up, of course, which is neat before I put everything back together. But again, just want to go ahead and show you quickly what this looks like. And again, there is the nice bearing, nice and easy. Now I'm going to flip it over. Again, do the other side. And you know what? I'll give this a shot just because I'm on with you guys. Again, I wish I had another hand. Oh, actually went in there pretty easy. Again, put the old flange back on. Give it a few taps. In fact, that one didn't even take that much. I just want to make sure, of course, it is flush all around. So I'm going to give it another little tap over here. All right, and it is definitely flush all around. What's nice is that these are not deep enough. They don't interfere here with the grease nipple. And then I'm sure you know, of course, the grease nipple will go towards the inside of the tractor. Okay, just like that. And again, then small washer, large washers, and that's it. And you guys are off and running. So I hope that helped. Just if anybody had any questions on how to put this all together. Again, this is a 2018 T3300 Craftsman, but I know this is basically the kit that works for a whole bunch of different tractors and really makes a difference. I hope that they last, but it seems to make sense and you'll never have to grease them again. So that's it, guys. Good luck.